Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over my green football game night invitation. This invitation is perfect for a football themed party, a watch party, those fun playoff or championship game parties. So let's dive on in on how to edit this invitation and to really personalize it. First, what you'll want to do is click on the big blue Personalize This Design button located on the right hand side of your screen. It is going to take you to an entirely new page where you can do all of that personalization. So on the left hand side, go ahead and erase the pre-filled text that you want to erase and replace it with your own. Once you're finished personalizing your invitation, this is where you can now begin customizing it. First, let's change the color of the helmet. That is something that you can do with this design. You'll just click on the helmet. Then up at the top, change the colors. So the first color is red. That's going to be the face mask portion of the invitation. The second color, I have it currently as black. That's going to be the shadow of the helmet. And then the third color right now is kind of like a goldish color, and that's the entire helmet. So we'll just change that around a little bit to make it customized. I don't really know football team colors, so you'll probably want to play with that. You can also change, obviously, the text and those colors as well. Make it really unique to yourself. And then once you're done making your changes, click on the blue Next Design Back button to go to the back of the invitation. Here you can add images or text or whatever you want, or leave it as it is, and then click the Next Options button to go to the next screen. This is where you're going to choose your format. Do you want this invitation printed, or would you like a digital copy, or both? Envelopes, paper style, corner style, things like that. When you're done making those changes, click Next Review at the top. It's going to make sure that everything is correct, name, spelling, addresses for accuracy, and just show you that preview of the invitation. Once everything is reviewed, make sure you click the quantity that you need at the drop down on the right hand side of your screen, and then click the yellow Add to Cart button. A new pop-up will appear showing that the item was added to your cart, and from here you can begin the checkout process. I hope that this tutorial helped with your editing of your invitations. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you right away. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind taking a quick second of your time to liking this video or subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.